Hello students, today we are going to discuss about standards of noise pollution. Noise pollution, increasing ambient or surrounding noise level in public places from various sources like industrial activity, construction activity, generator set, loudspeaker, public address system, music system, vehicular horns and other mechanical devices have harmful effect on human health and the psychological well-being of the people. Necessary to regulate and control noise production and generating sources with the objective of maintaining the surrounding or ambient air quality standard in respect of noise. To regulate the noise pollution, government tried to frame a new law, whereas a draft of noise pollution rules 1999 was published under the notification of the Government of India and the Ministry of Environment and Forest by number SO 528 dated 2nd June 1999. Inviting objection and a suggestion from all the persons likely to be affected thereby before the expiry of the period of 60 days from the date on which the copies of the hazard maintaining the said notification are made available to the public. Objection and suggestion received from the public in respect of said draft rule have been duly considered by the central government. Exercise of the powers conferred by class 2 of subsection 2 of section 3, subsection 1 and class B of section 2 of section 6 and section 25 of the Environment Act 1986, read with Rule 5 of the Environmental Rules 1986, the central government hereby made Noise Pollution Rules 2000 for the regulation and control of noise producing and generating sources. Next one, important things in the law define. First one, authority. Authority means any authority or officer authorized by the central government, or the case may be the state government in accordance with the law in force and include a district magistrate, police commissioner or any other officer designated for the maintenance of the ambient or surrounding air quality standard in respect of noise under any law for the time being in force. Second one, person. In relation to any factory or premises mean a person or occupier or his agent who has control over the affair of the factory or premises. Next we are going to discuss ambient air quality standard in respect of noise for different areas or zones. Ambient air quality standard in respect of noise for different areas or zones shall be such as specified in the schedule annexed to this rule. Ambient air quality standard in respect of noise, these are the schedule, area code, category of area or zone, limit in decibel. Area code capital A, category industrial area, the limit of decibel in daytime 75, during night time 70 decibel. Area code B, category of area or zone in commercial area, daytime limit of decibel 65, whereas night time 55. In area code C, the category of area or zone in residential area, the limit of decibel during day and night time 55 and 45. Area code D, the category of area or zone, silent zone, the limit of decibel in daytime 50 whereas night time 40 decibel. Ambient air quality standard in respect of noise for different areas or zone. Duties and responsibility of state government. The state government may categorize the area into various zones: industrial or commercial, residential or silence area or zone, for the purpose of implementation of noise standard for different areas. State government shall take measure for abatement of noise, including noise emanating from vehicular movement, and ensure that the existing noise level do not exceed the ambient air quality standard specified under this rule. All development authorities, local bodies and other concerned authorities, while planning development activity or carrying out function relating to town and country planning, shall take into consideration all aspects of noise pollution as a parameter of quality of life to avoid noise hazard and to achieve the objective of maintaining the ambient air quality standard in respect of noise. In these development activities means the smart city walks going on some major cities in all states. Next, function relating town means like Dasara festival in Mysore, Vinayaka Chaturthi rally in Mumbai. Examples for function relating country is Diwali. On area comprising not less than 100 meters around hospital, educational institution and court may be declared as silence area or zone for the purpose of this rule. Responsibility as to enforcement of noise pollution control measure. First one, noise level in any area or zone shall not exceed the ambient air quality standard in respect of noise as specified in the schedule. Schedule means, for example, industrial zone does not exceed 75 decibel in daytime and 70 decibel in night time, and the silent zone must have 50 decibel in daytime and not more than 40 decibel in night time. Second one, authority shall be responsible for the enforcement of noise pollution control measure and the due compliance of the ambient air quality standard in respect of noise. Authority means, already I have explained in previous slide, like district magistrate or any other hazard officer. Restriction on the use of loudspeaker or public address system. Loudspeaker or a public address system shall not be used except after obtaining written permission from the authority. Example of authority: police commissioner, hazard officer, magistrate. Second one, loudspeaker or a public address system shall not be used at night during 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. except in closed premises for communication within, example, auditoria, conference room, community hall and banquet hall. Consequences of any violation in silent zone or area. The person who is violating the noise pollution in silent zone will be punished under the law. Whoever in any place covered under the silent zone or area commit any of the following offence, he shall be liable for penalty under the provision of the Act. Whoever plays any music or uses any sound amplifier, whoever beats a drum or tum-tum or blows a horn, either musical or pressure or trumpet or beats or sounds any instrument, whoever exhibits any mimetic, musical and other performance. Complaints to be made to the authority. Person may, if the noise level exceed the ambient or surrounding noise standard by 10 decibel or more, given in the corresponding column against any area or zone, make a complaint to the authority. Already I have explained about schedule in previous slide. Authority shall act on the complaint and take action against the violator in accordance with the provision of this rule and any other law in force. Power to prohibit continuance of music, sound or noise. Authority powers are like: authority is satisfied from the report of an officer in charge of a police station or other information received by him. It is necessary to do so in order to prevent annoyance, disturbance, discomfort or injury or risk of annoyance, disturbance, discomfort or injury to the public or to any person who dwell or occupy property on the vicinity. He may by a written order issue such direction as he may consider necessary to any person for preventing, prohibiting, controlling or regulating the incidence or continuance in or upon any premises of any vocal or instrumental music, sounds caused by playing, beating, clashing, blowing or using any manner whatsoever of any instrument, including loudspeaker, public address system, appliance or apparatus or contrivance which is capable of producing or reproducing sound. The carrying on in or upon any premises of any trade, avocation or operation or process resulting in or attended with noise. Authority empowered under Sub-Rule 1 may either on its own motion or on the application of any person aggrieved by an order may under Sub-Rule 1 either withdraw, modify or alter any such order, provided that before any such application is disposed of, the said authority shall afford to the applicant an opportunity of appearing before it either in person or by a person representing him and showing cause against the order, and shall, if it rejects any such application either wholly or in part, record its reason for such rejection. Thank you for your attention.